most amazing thing I've seen on the campaign so far happen today. I've never seen that many people together ever in my life.
I've never been doing any campaign or any function like that before.
Yeah, I like politics. I kind of like being president like Barrack Obama. It's kind of fun, really exciting.
You want to be president?
Yeah.
I just really hope he becomes the next president. I mean, he can do so much good. It's just phenomenal, you know? And just to actually be there and really see it and experience it with all that people. I mean, this is my first time actually out to one of these rallies, and I just so enjoyed it.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big open welcome to the next first founder of the United States, Obama.
This campaign and this election is not about Barack Obama. It's not about Hillary Clinton. It's not about John McCain. It's about your hopes. It's about your dreams. It's about what's possible when a new generation of Americans stand up and say, we are not going to settle for what is. We are going to imagine what might be. You know, there's a moment like that that happens in the life of every generation, where we shed our fear and we shed our doubt and we shed our cynicism, where we roll up our sleeves and arm in arm, we start rebuilding this country. Block by block, county by county, state by state. This is our moment. This is our time. We are a self-reliant people, we are an independent people, but we are not a people that turns our backs on each other. We are a people that depends on each other, that believes that all of us have to rise together or all of us will fall together. That's my story. That's Michelle's story. That's your story. That's the American story. That's the struggle that we are facing here in this election. That's what's at stake on Tuesday here in Oregon. And if you vote for me, then I promise we'll win this nomination. We will win this general election. And you and I together, we will change this country and we'll change the world. Thank you, Portland. Thank you. God bless you. God bless America.